Hello, I'm Captain Omobude. I'm going to be talking about building a resume. Five free websites that you can use to build a good resume that you can present on your when you are looking for a job and all of that. One of the things that you need if you are looking for a job in any organization is a resume, and the role that the resume play in job seeking is very important, and it's good to have a good and outstanding resume that will enable you to be able to have an edge in your interview, and when they are sorting out the people they want to invite for an interview. When your resume, the way your resume look like will determine whether they will invite you or not. And there is this five website that you can use to build a resume. And these are: number one is the resumebuilder.com, number two, resume builder, number three, the Indeed resume, number four, the Canva, and number five is the Google Doc. I want us to look at each of them critically. And for example, first of all, let's go to Canva. This is Canva, and if you are not yet on Canva, what you just need to do is to sign up on canva.com. Once you sign up, and it gives you access to this Canva. Just this, when you open it, this is the first place you see, and you want to design a resume. What you just do is you click on create a design, and you type resume, and it will come up. It will come up with, for example, this is just resume. You click on that, and it will come up with a lot of template, and if you want to pick a already made template, they are available there. So both free and pro. If you are operating a free Canva, this is, for example, this one is a free Canva. There are free ones, there are paid ones. These are Canvas. These are all resumes that are available on this side. For example, you can see this one that is carrying something like a crown and pro written here. That is not free. But see this other one, that one is free, this one is not free, this one is not free, except you have the pro version of Canva. That is when you will be able to use some of these ones. But there are these free ones that are available. You just pick any of these templates. For example, let's pick this template, and let's use to design and expatiate on this. And for example, in case this one, what this one is showing is that this man is a graphic designer. Let me assume and place myself in his position. For example, I just remove his picture and put my picture there. Okay, and I go to, if you have never used Canva before, you can bring in your picture from just go here and upload your picture that are on your desktop into the Canva interface. Can bring in your picture. My pictures are already there, so I will just scroll down and pick any of those my pictures that are there. A lot of my pictures are there. So for example, I can just pick on this, which is already there. I just take it and put it here. I resize it to suit my purpose and to suit the purpose for which I need to flip it, because it can't be facing this way. So I click on flip and I flip it, and it turns the other way, and place it properly. Let me enlarge this so that we can see what we are doing. So I place it properly, and it's not too ideal the way it is right now. I need to bring in another shape to be able to make it look better. So what I will do, I'll go to I go to element, and bring in this shape. Okay, this black shape. Okay, I just enlarge it a little. I send it back. Okay, then I just move my picture. Yeah, so that is that. And I can even change the for example, I can change on that one that is there, I can change the background to look like this one. For example, I just the color of this background, this one that is behind, I can change it from black to, yeah, so it looks better. And change this name. Reduce it and expand it. Okay, change this other name. Okay, then you all of these that are there, you just what you need to do is you update your work experience that is here. If you are whatever you are doing, you upgrade your work experience, your educational background. You know, here is a bachelor of design, university. You put your university names, and your references. If references, you have references, you add them there. Your education, you know, and all of that. Once you populate, you change the phone numbers that are here. Your address is here. Your email address, if you have a website, you add it to your email address and website are added to it. And once you do that, you are good to go. So in case, let's assume that we have finished designing this CV, then you just click on print, and you ask the system to print it for you. You click on it's going to print on PDF. You go to print on PDF. You just click on print and ask it to print. So we say print, and it's telling us there is an icon that is there that you cannot use except you have a pro version, and that icon is the one that is showing the address, which is this. So we are going to remove that and place our own. This is it. You remove it because with it you cannot, but we can bring in our own now. You go to element and just type address icon. All of this icon will come out. So we click on this. So that one is there. So I resize it to suit the purpose, our own purpose. Resize it, bring it here. I resize it and bring it closer. Resize this a little CB. Then change the color to white. And that is it. Let's look at it. Oh, that is it. And you can still resize because it looks big. That is it. We bring it down a little. So with this, you are good to go. What you just need to do after you have edited this on Canva, you send it and ask him to print, to download. Click on download, and we are doing it on PDF. It goes. So that is it on and that is it. Straight away it has been printed. This is your CV. The CV has been printed. Let's minimize it so that we can see it fully. Let me move this one here. This is your CV. So that is just the way on Canva. So also in the other website, for example, we want to use a resume builder. We go back to resume builder is there. Okay, we use Canva just now. I want to use this one is the resumebuilder.com. They're asking you to just create a. You just go to Google and type resume builder. And once you type on resume builder, I say enter, it will bring you to this interface. Here they say create. Let me take this thing up. It said create a resume now. You just click on this and it takes you straight to the platform where you can have access to the template that are available on this website. Let's just give it some time. The network is okay. These are resumes. It says create a resume. Let me scroll down and see what's happening here. Create a resume. We create a resume. Then we click create here. So on this all-in-one edition, traditional, no, we all-in-one. We click on all-in-one, and it comes up with various resume templates. So different type of resume template comes up with it. So whichever one that you want among them, what you just do is to click and edit what is there, and you are good to go. For example, we click on this. Look at it, just asks you to fill in then your title, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your address, and your address, the city that you live, your code, postal code. And once you finish that, and it takes you to the next. You finish that, your profile, all the things you need to add to it, your professional experience, your education, your professional experience, your skill, you fill in your skills, you add all that is needed. Once you finish adding all of this, your resume, you just it will come out exactly like this. And once you do that and you edit, you print it out, it will come out, and a resume will be ready. So for example, okay, let's just do this. I say Mr. Omo Godwin. Okay, my phone number, all of those are there. Okay. BS Economics. Economics. BS Economics. School. Edo State University. Location of school, Edo State. I move forward. Started 1998. Okay, maybe around February 1998. 93. Okay, let me just say 90. Okay, 94. And February 94. Okay. Date 98. Let me just say 98. Around September, but that's there. And degree BSc Economics, field of study social science. So yeah. Skill in graphic design. If you are experienced, you add your experience there. Then additional and all of that. Once you are done, you save. And just put your email address and password. What you need to do, you need to sign up on this. So I just signed up. I didn't sign up at the beginning, just signed up. And once you sign up, okay. It's coming. Let's just give it some time. So you go to your email too. That design you made. You go to your email, Web of Fortune. Just my email. I want to bring up my email. Okay. What's happening here? So what we have just designed, is out, and what we just need to do is to look at it. This is what we just designed just now on so on the CV that we use, the resume.com, and this is it. So if you want to print, you print it out, or you send it to your email. From your email you print it out. And so it is with the other website. Like this one is resumehelp.com. This one you can equally build free, start a new resume here, just the same way we did on the other one. And you'll be able to build a resume here on this website too. It's another website where you can create a free resume. And just here too, it says get started, and you design a resume. It has template. And this other one, this is indeed.com. On this one too, you can build a quality resume on this site, and on this side you can build a good resume. And this last one, the last one is a Google Doc. To build a resume on Google Doc, you just go straight to this triangular, this square something, and go to Google Doc. Once you get to Google Doc, you click on Google Doc, and once Google Doc comes up, look at here, resume. You have letter here, you have resume here, resume Cora, resume soft. So you just click on whether this or this. For example, let's use resume Cora. It comes up. Once it comes up, it will come up with various is a template on resume. So what you just need to do is to edit this resume that is here. And once you edit it and you finish editing, you have here your name. Once you put your name, your address, your skill, your experience, and once you put your experience, the company names and location titles that you have occupied in those places. If you have worked in more than 2 or 3 companies, you just put them there. If it is not up to 3 companies you have worked, you delete this, the third one, and put in the places you have worked, and your educational background, you put them there. If you had gotten an award in the past, you put it there. If you have not, you delete it. Once you are through with all of this, you just roll it out, and the resume is ready. Is ready to be used. If this teaching has given you value, I will need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Web of Fortune, and I want you to click the bell, the notification bell, so that when I release new video, you will always be the first to always have it. Thanks.